Hello friends, would you like to know about tummy tuck and mini tummy tuck and what is the difference between tummy tuck and a liposuction? Please see this video right till the end. I'm Dr. Amit and in this video I'm going to clear so many of your doubts regarding a tummy tuck procedure. What are the brief procedural details and why we at Divine are able to offer you much better results than other clinics? We have a very large experience in medicine of over 25 years. Skilled surgery, we are able to ensure faster recovery. Patients are more satisfied and better aesthetics. We are a team of 3 plastic surgeons where our combined knowledge is able to produce far better results. Instrumentation, some of our instrumentation is of very advanced levels and they allow better control and eventually a far better result. We use 𝗬𝗂𝗽 technology for liposuction, which just adds a completely new dimension to body contouring, creating a body shape which just cannot be matched. So you need to worry only about buying new clothes and not about the procedure. Briefly, what is a full tummy tuck? In a full tummy tuck, we remove a very large amount of skin. The incision runs in the bikini line and we remove the skin till just above the belly button. So all the lower abdominal skin is removed and the upper abdomen skin is stretched and pulled down till here to create the new abdomen. We also do muscle repair and tighten up the muscles inside, and the incision scar is well hidden within the bikini pattern. A mini tummy tuck, on the other hand, is a smaller procedure. It only removes skin from the lowest part of the abdomen, and this is only meant for people who have small amount of loose skin in the lower abdomen. Muscle repair is done and the incision scar is much smaller. Now this is an example of a complete tummy tuck. The idea is that we hide the scar within the bikini pattern and do a liposuction all around, create a nice hourglass figure. This is the amount of skin that is removed and the lower incision is easily hidden. As you can see here, it is hidden within the bikini pattern. We can in fact fashion the design according to your needs. So if a patient wears small bikinis, we can hide the scar within the bikini pattern itself. So this is an example where this is the amount of skin that is removed and this is the area of the liposuction, which allows a far better shape of the abdomen. This is a classic example of a mini tummy tuck. Only small amount of loose skin in the lower abdomen. Not much of has not had any pregnancy, so no muscle weakness, just lower amount of loose abdomen, that is skin is removed from there. So in this, what we do is we do an extensive liposuction all around and just remove the lowest amount of loose skin. A classic tummy tuck is also called a lipoabdominoplasty, involves liposuction of the abdomen, upper abdomen, sides. We can also combine it with other areas such as arms, thighs, etc. Fat can be collected to shape the buttocks in a procedure called BBL. We can also inject into the breast. We can inject around the vagina to create a designer vagina, on the face, etc. Can be done under general anesthesia or spinal anesthesia. Generally lasts for about 3 hours. We mark the abdomen, remove the extra amount of skin, remove the extra amount of fat, reposition the belly button, and do muscle tightening. So that is the classic tummy tuck. All the stitches are dissolvable. The incision is very low down, can be hidden easily within bikinis. The recovery from anesthesia, the GA recovery can take about an hour. Observation time for about 1 to 2 hours. We start patient on liquids and food in 3 to 4 hours. Hospital stay is usually only 1 day. I always put drains, which we removed after 5 days. Patient wears a pressure garment for about 3 to 4 weeks. Recovery. This is important to know as a patient because you can start doing, second day, you can start walking, having a bath. 5th day, we remove the drain. 6 to 7 day, activities such as travel, shopping, even walking outside can easily be done. 10th day, patient can easily go to office. 3 weeks, they can do exercising, mild exertional activity, even driving. Generally around 4 to 6 weeks time, sexual activity, gym, heavy weights, all can start. The body shaping can take about 3 months for the final result to show. There are some potential problems. Delayed stitch line healing, belly button healing can sometimes be delayed. Seromas can form, which can take about 3 to 4 months to sort out. Now, what is the difference between a tummy tuck, a liposuction, and a mini tummy tuck? Now, liposuction is a procedure that removes fat from the abdomen, and it is only meant for fat. If the patient has loose skin, then a liposuction cannot handle that. In fact, it will make the looseness even more. So loose skin management, tummy tuck is ideal. A mini tummy tuck is an option where skin looseness is less. Liposuction can be an adjunct, but not the only treatment. In fact, it might make the looseness worse. Liposuction has the fastest recovery. A classic tummy tuck can take longer time. The longest scar is in the tummy tuck procedure. Liposuction is virtually scarless. Drain, yes. A belly button in the tummy tuck is reinserted. There's a mini tummy tuck, there's no reinsertion. Liposuction is done as part of all procedures anyway. Admission at classic tummy tuck can take a day. Both the other procedures are day care. Muscle tightening is done in a classic tummy tuck, whereas not done in the liposuction procedure. Now, a person can actually gain weight after a liposuction if her or his lifestyle activity is not good, whereas in a classic tummy tuck, that is a very difficult to gain weight again. So in brief, I've tried to explain what is the difference between a classic tummy tuck, a mini tummy tuck, and a conventional liposuction, and what kind of changes you can achieve with a tummy tuck. Tummy tuck itself forms part of a mummy makeover procedure, which I will be explaining in a subsequent video. I'm sure you've liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel. You must like this channel, and if you have any comments or questions or suggestions, please post it on the comment section. You can in addition get in touch with us on 9811994417, and my team will make all efforts to make sure that all your queries are answered. Have a great day ahead.